Who is the face of one of Europe's fastest-growing fintech companies? The person leading the charge at a company that's trying to redefine how we handle our money, from daily spending to long-term investments. Today, we're talking about Vivid Money. If you've ever used a digital banking app that combines your finances, investments, and even crypto all in one place, then you've seen the kind of innovation Vivid is built on. But behind every great company is a visionary leader. So, who is the CEO of Vivid Money? It's a question with a bit of a nuanced answer, as is often the case with modern fintechs. The company's story actually starts with two co-founders, Alexander Emishev and Artem Iamonov. These two financial veterans, both with a background at Russia's Tinkoff Bank, came together to launch Vivid Money in Berlin in 2019. Their goal was to create a super app that would go beyond basic banking and offer a truly integrated financial experience. Now, while Emishev and Iamonov are the co-founders, the roles at the top can be a little more complex. When you dig into the leadership structure, you'll find a few names that have held CEO-level positions in various parts of the company. However, the most consistent and publicly recognized leader is one of the co-founders, Alexander Emishev. He's the one you'll often see quoted in press releases and news articles, and he's frequently referred to as the driving force behind the company's strategy. Emishev's background is a key part of the Vivid Money story. Before co-founding Vivid, he was the vice president of new products development at Tinkoff Bank, a digital-first bank that pioneered many of the features now common in fintech. This experience gave him a deep understanding of what it takes to build a successful digital financial product from the ground up. He's a specialist in business processes, IT management, and information systems design, all of which are critical for a company like Vivid. This isn't just a business, it's a technology company at its core, and Emishev's expertise is a huge part of its success. But it's not just about one person. The leadership team at Vivid is a collection of seasoned professionals. For instance, the company has brought in leaders like Stef van Beek, who has a strong background at Revolut, to head up their e-money institution in Luxembourg. This kind of talent acquisition shows a strategic focus on building a robust, multinational operation, not just a small startup. And that's the real story here. The CEO of Vivid Money isn't just one title holder. It's the co-founder who built the company from an idea, the team of executives he's assembled to execute his vision, and the collective drive to challenge the established financial order. They've successfully raised over $200 million in funding from major investors like SoftBank, which is a massive vote of confidence in their leadership and their business model. Today, Vivid Money is focused on expanding its services for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, across Europe. They are still serving their retail customers, but the strategic focus is now on providing businesses with the same kind of innovative, all-in-one financial tools that made them famous with individual users. This shift in focus is a clear sign of Alexander Emishev and his team's adaptability and ambition. So, while you might see a few different titles in the mix, the most accurate and engaging answer to who is the CEO of Vivid Money is to point to its co-founder, Alexander Emishev, and the powerful team he's built. He is the person who has been there from the start and continues to guide the company's vision and growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.